Welcome back to another episode of Language Player's How-To series. Now we're moving on to the dictionary section. So in this video, I'm going to show you the basics of Language Player Dictionary, starting by looking up words. Let's get started. To start, let's go to the main menu and press on Dictionary, and then type the search term. You can type in Mandarin, or you can type in English, or you can type in the definition. Right? So in this case, I'm going to type in the English definition. I want to look up the word sun, S-U-N, sun. And I'll pick this one, 太阳. Let's try it again with Chinese. I'll type 太阳 in Chinese, and we end up at the same place. Or we can type in Pinyin, and we end up at the same place. All right, so you can search in Chinese, you can search English, or you can search in Pinyin. Of course, it works in other languages as well. After you've looked up the word, you can flip this flashcard to see the Pinyin and definition, as well as how common the word is, right? So by default, this card is flipped and you don't see the definition because you want to be able to quiz yourself, right? And now you can tap on the flashcard to see the definitions. Now let's look up another word, le, right? It means happy. Notice here you have a disambiguation dropdown. What this does is that you notice that this character in Chinese has multiple pronunciations and multiple meanings. So this dropdown allows you to disambiguate. So if you tap on that, you can see we have multiple options here. Let's try this one. And as you can see, here is another pronunciation of the character, right? Instead of le, now it's yue. So this is how you can drill down to the specific instance of a word. Above the disambiguation button, you have the save word button. If you press that, it will save the word into your saved words list. So if you tap on more in the navigation bar and then tap my words, you can get a list of words you have saved. In this case, you've saved this term, surname Yue. And finally, you might not have noticed, but at the dictionary search bar, you have a random button. If you press on that, you can get a random entry in the dictionary. All right, so that's how you can look up a word in Language Player. I'll see you in the next video.